Hey guys, today we have a Shein haul, so I'm gonna go through everything that I got. I've really been buying a lot from Shein lately, and every time I go on the site, I just get sucked in to buy more, and I need to stop going on the site. But first of all, I wanted to say that I did get some other things. I got the Shein and Harry Potter collection, which I've done a separate unboxing video on because it was just it needed its own separate video, so you go watch that if you're interested. I also got some clothes for my nephew, which I've already given to him, and I also got a little keychain for my sister, which I've already given to her. But this is everything else that I got. So first, I got some more little nail things. I got these ones. How cute are they? They're like little fruits. And then we also have the little vegetable version. I don't know when I'm going to use these. I'm obviously going to use them on my nails, but I don't know what I'm going to be doing a vegetable inspired nail set, but I'm gonna find a use. I also got these ones, which are like little Disney characters. So we have Stitch, we have the Cheshire Cat, we've got some ones that I haven't seen before. We also have the little alien, we have Sully from Monsters Inc. There's so many cute ones in here. So I'm so excited. I feel like they're going to be so cute on the nails. I literally cannot wait to use them. Now, I really messed up with these because I thought these were going to be smaller, but then they came in and they're this size. So these are not going to be going on my nails. I might give them to my friend who does a lot of work with resin and stuff. She might like them. But yeah, I thought they were going to be a lot smaller. And then these ones are hard to see. I've got these stickers over the top so you can't really see it. But they're basically just more charms. Okay, I can't get these stickers off. But you can kind of see some in there. There's little donuts, some cheese, little bottles, it's just things like that. I can see some bananas. They're just kind of little cartoony little food items. It's hard to see, and that obviously you can't see through there, but yeah, I feel yeah, I don't know. I did get some more things from Shein, so let's go through it. I accidentally mucked up and bought two of the same shade, so I'm going to put one of these in a giveaway. These are the little highlighters, so I'm going to put one of those in a giveaway. But this is the Lunar Glow highlighter in the shade Tea Cake. And this is the one that I think has been pretty viral. And it's the one that is the little UFO. So that's how it looks there. And then you open it and it looks like that on the inside. It's absolutely stunning. So I got one of those in the shade Tea Cake. Then I also got one in the shade Vanilla Frost. This one's a lot lighter and has a kind of pinky shift to it. So yeah, they're super cute, and you're meant to be able to just I'm gonna do a video trying out Shein makeup soon. I've already done a couple of the collection reviews, but I'm gonna do the actual makeup, I guess. This is Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil in the shade Strike Gold. Okay, so this is the packaging of this one. How cute is this, by the way? I really love this packaging. I don't know why, but it gives me very summery vibes. So yeah, once again, this is the Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil in Strike Gold. Oh, this is cute. It looks like a little lamp or something. So this is what it looks like here. That is the packaging. And you open it up like that. Cute. Doesn't have a smell. But so we got that. Something I've noticed about Shein products is not a lot of them have a nice smell. The Rick and Morty glosses they smell like grape. This is the Insta Party Glitter Liner. I've got two of these. Looks like this. This first one is in the shade Disco Ball. I got these because they reminded me of the they looked like the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. The applicator is a bit weird, but the swatches look nice. This one here is Disco Ball, and then there's the swatches that I've just done. I can't even see them. They're there somewhere. So that's Disco Ball, and then the other one is called Confetti. This one's real pretty. This is a goldy kind of shade. So that is Confetti. And that one's a nice swatch too. So yeah, I'm excited to try those. I feel like they look really pretty. I don't know how well you can see the swatches. This is the Mellow Jello Nourishing Lip Balm. I got mine in the shade Ruby. And they've all got like this similar kind of packaging, which is like just nice and like simple. And this is the packaging of this. Super cute. And I feel like it's meant to look like a cat paw. Yeah, what the hell? I really want to eat that. Oh, that smells delicious. Yum. So yeah, it's got like a little paw print in it. Don't know how well we'll be able to see. On camera it looks black, but it's red, I promise. This smells so good. Oh, I don't know what it smells. It smells like... Oh, I don't know, but I can't... No. This is going to be really hard to like fight my impulses. It comes off like very subtle. You can see there's like a very sort of red shade there. Oh my god, just went up my nose. Actually, that smells incredible. Yum! This is like the most conflicted I've ever felt about a makeup product, like closest I've ever come to eating a makeup product. This is another Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil, which is the same as this, but I think this is the new packaging and this one's the old packaging. I don't even know what I bought. I just went on there and I was like, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Oh, this is nice. They've got like individual, or well, this one at least has like an expiry date on it, which is cool. So this is the Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil in Mally Blueberry. It's meant to be like Malibu. I mean, Malibu, I think, but like Malibu, you know? And then blueberry. So I'm hoping this one smells nice because Strike Gold did not. And this one has like, this comes in this little blue box. Cute. So yeah, I think this is the old packaging. I actually like the old packaging more, I think. It's got this like kind of soft touch top. It looks more jelly-like than what this one does. Mmm. It's not exactly blueberry, but it's nice. Yum. I don't know what that is, but it smells like very fresh. I also got some foundations from them, which I'm really excited to try. I'm a bit worried because that looks very orange. But first we got the Skin Magnet High Coverage Foundation Stick. This is in the shade Porcelain. They're looking very orange though, which is like a bit scary. It was like hard to kind of pick a shade, but I just kind of picked what I thought looked best. Oh, cute. Wow, okay, so when you pull it out, it's got like a little information booklet in it, and then it also has, like, it comes in this little bag, which is cute. I've never really seen that before. Oh, okay. And then this is the actual foundation stick. I feel like that packaging is really cool. I feel like it'll maybe work. This is the shade Porcelain. I'm really excited to try this. Looked really nice on the website, so we'll give it a go. I think it's cute. It comes in this little bag. I feel like I'm never going to be able to get it back in the bag. So that was the first foundation I got. I haven't used a stick foundation in such a long time. I'm not the biggest fan of stick foundations. Then I also got the Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation, and this one is in the shade Fair, which looks like orange on the swatch up the top, so I'm like, well, I really go hard for stuff like, you know, I bought like one thing from She Glam and now I'm buying like the whole website. That's just kind of my personality. I can't just be normal when I buy things, but that's fine. I get like super hyper fixated on things. Cute, this one comes in a little bag as well, which is really sweet. And this packaging is actually super nice, I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't know, that looks really luxe to me and it feels really nice. It's like glass and then has like a kind of soft matte touch cap, and I feel like it does look a little bit orangey, but we'll just have to wait until we try it. I'm sure we could make it work somehow. I think these are the last couple bits that I got from them. So I got this is called Glam 101 Hybrid Highlight and Blush Joy in Saint Tropez. That's what that looks like, really cute. So we have a little blush and a little highlight. Stunning. Really excited to try these things out. I feel like I still need to get more. Like I want to get like, you know, a concealer and a powder and a bronzer and things like that. And then we have the Moon Side Highlighter, and this is, looks like that. And then it's in the shade Cosmic Stream, and it's real cute. Like, I don't know, the packaging's weird, like this bit, like, I don't know, it's cute. But anyway, that is the shade there. That looks real pretty. I just need to swatch it. I just need to know. Okay. I thought it was going to be like a little bit creamier. It seems a little bit powdery, but that's fine. Swatch is nice on the hand, kind of. Feels like, I don't know if you guys remember those old e.l.f. highlighters that were really nice, but you just needed to scrape that top layer off. I feel like this might be something similar. But yeah, that's the swatch there. So yeah, I feel like that's already swatched better than the original little swatch that I did, so decided to try that. I think that was everything I got from Shein. So now I just need to show you the other things I got. So I got these. I don't know why, I was just like, these are so cute. These are, we have a little tweezer set and they've got the Powerpuff Girls in them. I just thought that was so cute. So I don't even really need any more tweezers. I've got a few sets, but how cute are they? And then they've got like the little girls down the bottom. So I just thought they were real cute. I'm a sucker for, you know, cartoony stuff. Then I found some Rugrats stuff. So Rugrats is one of my all-time favourite shows, so I just get obsessed. This has Angelica on it, which is so cute. And she says, "Aren't I just the greatest?" How cute is that? That's gonna look so cute on my phone. This one might be my favourite one. I think this is the coolest thing in the world. It's just so cute. It's got Cynthia. Oh, when poor Cynthia went, I can't even remember where she went. She went like, Angelica lost her somewhere. I can't remember, or like Spike maybe put her somewhere. Was that the dog's name? Spike? I can't remember now. But oh, that episode where she's like going under the water and going through all the pipes and stuff. Oh, classic. It's got this girl on it, and I don't know, I can't remember what she's off, but I don't really like her. But I got it because it has Chucky and Angelica on it, but I don't really like that other girl, but it's still really cute. Oh, I love it. So I'm really happy with those. Then I had to get this little makeup bag because it's got Angelica on it. I don't need any more makeup bags, but it's got Angelica on it. So I was like, whatever. And I just think that is just the cutest thing ever. I'm probably going to display it in my room. It's actually quite a nice bag. Like, it's quite spacious and it's got like a soft touch feel. And yeah, I just love it. I think that's so cute and I'm obsessed. It's got like the Nickelodeon thing on it. So does that mean that like Nickelodeon, like, this is licensed stuff? I don't know. I got a couple of tops because I did not have a Rugrats top. Oh, I've got Rugrats pajamas, but so this one, oh, this is cute. This has Tommy, Chucky, and Angelica on it, and it says Rugrats and Forever Young on it, which is so cute. And I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm not gonna lie though, this just feels like stuck on vinyl. Which is that what all tops are? I don't know. But either way, it's so cute, and I'm very excited to wear that. And then I also got this one. This looks real big. Oh my god. Why is it so big? Girl, what size do you go? Oh, it's 1XL. Okay, I guess that's why. This one feels the same, like it's stuck on vinyl. But yeah, this feels real nice. It's like weird material. It's like I don't know, it's not like t-shirt material though. But anyway, this is cute as well. It says, "We want Reptar." So, that was everything I got from Shein. I don't love this top as much. I feel like this one isn't very good quality, I'm not gonna lie. This is like, the t-shirt's weird and I feel like the design is a bit, not super clear. I feel like this one's nicer though. But yeah, maybe still like, I mean, it's from Shein, I don't know, like I'm not expecting, you know, top-notch quality. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye!